What's going on, YouTube? Big Beat Reactions back with another music reaction video. And today we have Derek Trucks, a new artist on the channel. I believe this is the first time we got into Derek Trucks on the channel. This is a song called Chevrolet. I believe it's a live version. Shout out to Jagger Hillier for requesting this in the comments. I appreciate it. I believe it was requested on one of the Billy Strings videos. So let's get right into it, man. As always, guys, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. A bunch of new content coming up, and hit up the comments and request your favorite song, and we'll get that on the list and bang that one out. Let's get right into it. Derek Trucks, Chevrolet. And OBS has been acting up all day, so hopefully this one goes, and I'll post it either way, whether it's choppy or not. I just want to give you guys the raw reaction. Let's go.
So am I, for the record. All right. So you have at it, fellas. Sure, I'm glad to have you whenever you're ready. Let her rip.
Okay, the slide. I like it. I like it. I like this a lot. I like this video a lot. Hopefully, again, like I said, hopefully this is good for you guys. But I feel bad for my guys singing. They did him dirty. We need it. I think this is just the guys recording. If you guys have the original, like, actual studio recording version, put it in the comments. I'll go ahead and watch that. But this is cool. I believe Derek Trucks is the guitar player, from what I heard on the comments. But no, this is cool. I like the sound of that guitar. How cool is that, man? What the hell is this?
You got it? Yep. Okay.
I don't know what that is. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I like the slide guitar. I like the slide guitar a lot. I've messed around with that a little bit. It's really hard to do. And correct me if I'm wrong, I think Derek Trucks is the guitar player in that video. That's really cool. That'll go on the playlist, man. I always love a good jam like that, and it's impressive. It's impressive for sure. I wish the video quality was a little bit better, but glad I could do that for you, Jagger or Yager, whatever your name is. And that's a good one. I like it. We're gonna keep rolling through these, man. If you like the video, you want to see more, hit the comments up, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be back for the next one. Big Beat Reactions. I'm out.